This tree is coming along nicely. We started this project, I think 2 or 3 years ago. Repotted about 7 months ago in early spring. It's fall right now, so you can see that the tree is slowing down and going into winter soon. Today is a very good time to prune and wire, so that's what we're going to do. And it doesn't need major changes except for taking out this branch. There were a few side branches here that died off, so now there's a very long, straight, boring section. It doesn't do much for the design of the tree. So I'm going to remove this one. This is one front that I like in the tree, but if you turn it around, I think this is an even nicer front. I don't even remember what the original front was, but the tree has two, and that's only a luxury. But also, looking at this side of the tree, this right here doesn't really do anything. So I'll remove this straight away. And like I said, that's the only drastic change for now. So the next step is pruning a little bit of the tree, not too much, and adding some wire as well. Since we just removed that one long branch, I think this branch, for example, could come down a little bit to take over. So we'll add some wire to the tree, but not too much.
Learn how to create your own bonsai trees by enrolling in one of our online bonsai courses. We explain techniques like pruning, wiring and repotting, and you can ask questions to the teachers. For the curriculums and free lessons, go to bonsaiempire.com/courses.